So I've spent multiple years with the Razer DeathAdder, and after a few years I've started to encounter a few problems with it, so today I decided to finally bite the bullet and buy a new mouse. So today I have with me the Cooler Master MM711, and we're going to be doing an unboxing of it today. More on that after the intro. Welcome to Top Spec, your one-stop shop for tech content. And if you're new around here, we upload tech videos every Monday, so if that sounds like your thing, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video in particular, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Anyways, into the unboxing. So this is the Cooler Master MM711. It's basically a lightweight gaming mouse. I went with the white color because my setup kind of has a white and black theme with a little bit of RGB, so yes, this does have RGB lighting on it. So I'm pretty excited for it. My current mouse kind of started to have stuttering problems where if I were to click and hold, it would interpret it as me pressing down the mouse repeatedly, which is a big problem, not only with gaming, but also with design and Illustrator. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. I have my scissors here to open them up. Let's get this thing open. All right, the tape has been broken. Here we go. Packaging is really nice on this. I really appreciate some nice, elegant packaging design. Cooler Master, great job. Being a graphic designer, I always look for those little things. Alright, so it seems we've got this very loose braided cable, which is really nice. It's not like kind of stiff like my Razer mouse. What else is in here? Oh, sweet, okay. So they actually gave me extra mouse feet, so in case if mine wear out, I can replace them. So, let's go ahead and get this open. We've got it in this nice little foam container. Oh, this is nice. See, I was a little bit uncertain about going with the gloss white when I purchased it, because all they had was the gloss white and the matte black, and I kind of wanted a white mouse. So, I said I'll go with the gloss white, and it actually turned out really nice. It's a great look for this mouse. So some first impressions of this mouse, it's definitely smaller than the DeathAdder that I have, which I don't mind at all. In fact, I kind of prefer smaller mice to begin with. Also, it's an ambidextrous mouse, which means you can use it if you're both left-handed or right-handed. And then the gloss white color is actually a lot better than I expected it to look. It's a really nice finish to this, and I'm excited to see what it looks like plugged in with the RGB lights. Also, this cable is top tier. It's so easily flexible, and it'll almost feel like you're using a wireless mouse, I'd expect, when you're using it. So I'm going to give you a quick sound test to see what these buttons sound like on the MM711, and you can decide whether you like them or not. I think they're pretty good. So yeah, if you're interested in the Cooler Master MM711, I hope this video helped you out. I know it was a super short video, just a quick overview on the unboxing and some sound tests and first impressions. I'm going to get a full review on this probably in a few months after I've really used it heavily with some gaming, design, schoolwork, and just all around use with the mouse. Anyways, that's about it. I'm Connor, and this is Top Spec. Thank you for watching.